friends, today, I have brought for you a wonderful mask which will do magic on your hair. It will make your hair so beautiful, shiny and thick that you will fall in love with your hair. And if your hair is dry, lifeless and falling, there is no hair growth, or there is a problem of dandruff, or hair is not moisturized, there is no nourishment in it, then this is a mask to solve all these issues. Friends, you will not believe that by using it once, you will benefit so much that you will thank me. This is an amazing mask. Friends, as per my advice, you must apply this mask once, then you will see that your hair will be shiny, silky, moisturized. There will be tremendous nourishment in your hair, and hair will start growing very fast. You have to apply this mask once a week, and best part of this mask is, this mask can be easily prepared with kitchen ingredients. So let's see how to make this mask and how to apply it. Before watching video, if you are new, kindly like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Here we take combination of soaked fenugreek seeds and tea powder. Fenugreek seeds are also called as methi dana are packed with proteins and nutrients that increase blood circulation to the scalp and help strengthen hair follicles. They can help prevent hair fall and thinning and also reactivate your follicles for hair regrowth. Black tea is not only effective at flushing out toxins from the body, but it also makes your hair shine. It helps to stimulate hair growth, reduce hair loss, remove oiliness from scalp, and treat dandruff. Its high antioxidants and caffeine promotes healthy scalp and hair. Take 1 tablespoon of both the ingredients. We put both the soaked ingredients in a blender. Next component we add for silky, shiny and moisturizing hair, that is rice. Here we add cooked rice. Add 1 bowl of cooked rice in a blender. Rice water contains amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that can be used to nourish and strengthen hair. It makes the hair smooth and shiny, as well as help it grow faster. Next component we add curd or yogurt in this mixture. Curd is good for hair as it is rich in proteins, vitamins, and healthy fats that deeply nourish and moisturize the hair. It helps to replenish lost moisture, especially for dry and brittle hair, making it more soft, smooth, and manageable. Regular application of curd can restore vitality to your hair strands. We grind all the ingredients well together until we get a paste-like consistency. Hey friends, write down from which city you're watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Here we got most effective remedy for hair. Transfer this remedy into a clean bowl. This powerful remedy can solve your hair issues like dandruff, dull and frizzy hairs, no nourishment in your hair. We are adding one more thing in this remedy, that is olive oil. Olive oil has the ability to condition dry hair, strengthen hair follicles, repair damage, and keep hair manageable. This results in stronger hair and lesser hair fall. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil in this remedy. We mix all the ingredients well together. We got a most effective and natural hair mask for shiny, silky, moisturized and nourished hairs. How to apply this remedy? Apply this hair mask with the help of any hair brush or your fingers. Keep it on your hair for 1 hour. For best results, leave the mask on your hair for maximum time as long as possible. After 1 hour, wash it off with mild shampoo and normal water. Always remember that not use of hot water for hair wash. Friends, include this wonderful hair mask in your hair care routine for long, strong, silky, shiny, nourished, dandruff-free, moisturized hairs at once in a week, as per my advice, and you will thank me. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory for more skin, hair and beauty remedies.